Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So DJs were warned for playing Scott Maphuma's music. Kesana kuthiwa nje DJ wela South Africa udlala waqala udlale ingoma ya DJ Maphorisa. In-Northwest Times reports ukuthi DJs warned against playing Scott Maphuma's music in a bold move that's causing a stir in South Africa's music scene. Groove organizers and supporters have made it clear that any DJ supporting or spinning tracks by Scott will be promptly removed from this stage. The decision comes in response to Scott Maphuma's recent arrogant behavior towards fans wakhe, which has sparked disappointment and frustration all over the country. It seems like guys itinto tisatumshubela ubhebiswe ma-attitude njengoba angisho aqolisile. People still feel ukuthi his apology was not genuine yabo, bengasinto lesuka enhlitweni. Uyaqolisa but i-apology yakhona ayibova ukuthi isahamba nokutitshela, isahamba nokutiphakamisa, and people feel ukuthi this guy is very very disrespectful. Uyatselela njena umthetho wakhe. I remember kule video laqolise kuyo kuseni, he was even busy cutting insango lapha luka cutting insango, and people are saying ukuthi ngiyo le nsango lemsanganisako lo mfana, because like how dare you apologize to the country but ngalana uyacrasha wena iweed njani njani, and you want people to take you serious. So bathi nje DJ maka kusethe waqala nje wafaka uyaphapha man, uyinkinga man, cha bathi uyaphuma. Bathi nje don't play ingoma ya Scott Maphuma. Iqina ngalapho ke uShimza une like birthday celebration lanayo, and uScott Maphuma was part of lama artists latoba performer. So people complained ukuthi cha sicela khishwe uScott Maphuma lapha ku lineup yakho, and uShimza did what people said wamkhipha ku Scott, so he's also cancelled ephathini yashimza. Abantu bathi that's right, utozabe right Scott ma attitude. If afuna simxolele as a country, he needs to apologize genuinely. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.